Hello everyone, thanks for coming to my BTS Dalmajung Photobook unboxing. This is the 2021 photo book that was released in fourth quarter 2021, October 19th, and it coincides with the Korean Mid-Autumn Festival. And so this is a photo book that is really two sides, a white side and a dark side. And so you can open it either way, but let's start with this side first. So I purchased this at the recent BTS concert in Las Vegas. I actually didn't buy this through Weverse because it sold out very quickly and the shipping was quite high for this little item. So this side has beautiful postcard-like photos in a thick cardstock, really clear, crisp images, and groups as well as single ones. I love the floral design here and this side. Turn it this way so you can have a better view. Really love the clothing that they are wearing, the traditional Korean outfits. I love how they include that in their photos, a distinct part of Korean culture. And really high quality photos also with great color. And so those are the two sides. You could also just keep it open like this because it stands on its own actually. So beautiful design, 4 portraits of each member and 2 group photos. Very thick, nice looking, almost a hard book cover. This will stand very well on the shelf or even like this, a great art piece to add to your collection. So thank you so much for joining my unboxing of the 2021 BTS Dalmajung photo book, and I hope to see you again for a different unboxing. Thank you.